Hey guys, what's up? In the garage again, chilling. Got the body on the pan. It's been on the pan for about a week now. Y'all saw in the little teaser video I did. Everything lines up pretty well. All the bolt holes line up pretty well. The tires sit pretty even in the fenders. I'm really stoked about that. I guess we're going to talk about these 944 brakes here. I went to the pick and pull here. Or was it pick and pull or junkyard? I don't know, one of the two. I think it was a junkyard at the time. But I paid $200 for the calipers, the hubs, the rear hubs, and the caliper carrier. Actually, the bolts to the trailing arms, 4 bolts. Laner did the front hubs for me up in Canada. He got everything going for me. Sent me the little swung necks, all the bits to get the emergency brake cables working and stuff. Got my glass fenders mounted. They're pretty well beat up when I got them. I got to do a little fiberglass repair, get rid of all these holes. Little thin spot here in the glass. I'm going to put some tiger hair on the back of that. Got these Wolfsburg's West pans. They're pretty bitchin'. They weren't cheap, but they're worth it. I don't know, a little update on what's going on. You down with the Dual Planets? You're a hipster. Yeah, I love these brakes. These brakes are awesome. I can't wait to get this thing going. I guess next I'm gonna do is, like I said, repair these fenders, and then I'm gonna take the bug off the pan again, and then finish welding the pans in and the frame horn, the Napoleon hat in. Finish welding the Napoleon hat in. Oh, my nose is running. Carl Lewis. Man. But yeah, just a little update, guys. Keep y'all in the loop what's going on. Also, a note on the 944 brakes. I ran the master cylinder from the 944 as well. The naturally aspirated one, non-turbo 944. But yeah, alright guys, please subscribe if you like. Questions down below. Yeah, just let me know if you have any questions of what's going on here, or how I did something. Hit that cowbell, subscribe, get them notifications, man. And if I get 5,000 subscribers on my twin turbo the bug, so y'all subscribe, share, let people know what's going on. But yeah, y'all take it easy. Later.